is a great time to enjoy some refreshing drinks, and today we're gonna share, I guess what, some of our favorite drinks that you can make at home. So easy, so let's get started. This cocktail is gonna be so easy. It is a twist on a classic gin and tonic. I love a good G&T, but this one we're gonna add a little bit of one of my favorite fruits, a grapefruit. What you're gonna need to make this cocktail is gin. We're using Hendrick's, one of our favorites. You need some ginger beer and you're gonna need some tonic water. Ours are both Fever Tree. Fever Tree, think about sponsoring us. You'll need some ice. You will need a grapefruit to do freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, or you can always purchase grapefruit juice. And then you just need a couple bits of rosemary. And a great cocktail always has to have tequila in it. This is gonna be one of my favorites, and it is a watermelon margarita that is infused with some basil. The majority of cocktails use something called simple syrup, and it actually is very simple. It's just 1 part water and 1 part sugar, and you're going to put them over probably medium heat for them to dissolve. We're gonna go ahead and have a simple one without any flavor, and then we're gonna use another one where we're going to infuse some basil in it. And if you watched our other video, Come Plant Shopping with Us, you'll see where we bought a basil plant, and now we're gonna use it in our cocktail. We love making our cocktails with fresh ingredients, and so we're gonna add 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And I'm gonna add the watermelon juice. You first have to chop up the watermelon, you puree it, and then you just strain it. So I'm going to actually add 2 ounces of this watermelon juice. Gonna add just half an ounce of the basil infused simple syrup that we did earlier. We just strained out the basil leaves. And of course, you can't forget one of the main ingredients, which is a nice silver tequila. And we're going to do 1.5 ounces of the tequila. Add your ice to your shaker. And now it's time to shake it. So we all like a good glass of wine, but this is more of let's say like a grown-up snow cone. It is going to be a white wine slushy, and you only need 2 things, white wine and Saint Germain. What you're gonna need is a bottle of white wine. Since we don't like our wine very sweet, we're using a Sauvignon Blanc. You'll put it in some ice cube trays overnight, let them freeze. They will turn out looking like this. We will plop these into the blender. Woo! Man overboard. And you'll grab your Saint Germain, which is elderflower, and all you need is half an ounce. Right. Toss that in there, and then we just blend up these 2. Now that we've blended those 2 together, I'm just going to pour it in a coupe glass. We have these really cute pink vintage ones, which you've seen in our other videos. If you haven't, we'll leave a link up above. And if not, we'll try to link some if we can find something similar. And voila, a white wine slushy. You guys, these were so easy to make. We made them super quick and super yummy too. They really, really are. Let us know in the comment section down below which one you're gonna be trying for your next like little summer soiree. Ooh, or if you have some of your favorite drinks, also make sure to let us know in the comment section down below, and make sure to follow us on Instagram. Our handles will be what, right down below? Right down below. And if you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. We will see you guys in our next video. Bye.